Hey, what's up? It's Dave Gambrill from Digital Marketing Mentorship with Dave Gambrill, and today I want to show you a quick demo of this custom GPT that I made to help you create a course, a mini course, a signature course, a deep dive course. If you have an idea in your head and you want to create an online course, this thing will walk you through it step by step. So I'm going to show you through a couple examples here how awesome this thing is and how you could just rely on this to get that idea out of your head into a course online, share it with the world, and make some money in the process. All right, so once you get access to it, let's say I'm just going to use one of the pre-framed things right here. Please help me get this idea out of my head and turn it into a course, okay? So here you'll see what it shares with you, and it's going to give you just kind of like the big picture. Yeah. So some clarifying questions. So even if you didn't give it anything, you just said, I want to build a course, it will start here, and it will walk you through all of this stuff. Okay, so let's answer some of those questions. You can't see it because it's a little bit off your screen just for clarity, but it wants to know these things, so I'm going to answer it down here below. Okay, so just off screen here, I typed in how to start freshwater fishing as a hobby, totally new to fishing, mini course to create passive income and perhaps sell them some other fishing resources later. All right, so let's see what it gives us. And again, we started here from scratch. Okay, so here you go. Here's the course idea. And it's kind of going through the process. We're going to teach total beginners how to start freshwater fishing. This is the ideal learner or customer. Okay, maybe somebody intimidated even by fishing. And we want to create a mini course. So here's the goal to create passive income stream. So here's the outline. Okay. By the end of this mini course, you'll have the confidence, basic gear, and beginner skills, blah, blah, blah. Then here we go. Here's the modules, course title figured out. Freshwater Fishing 101, catch your fish without fear, without overwhelm. Look at this, getting hooked. What you need to know before you start. So why it's a good hobby. If you do lakes, rivers, ponds, understand local fishing rules and licenses, which is pretty cool. By the way, I don't really know anything about fishing. This is not up my alley. I picked something that I didn't know anything about because I wanted to show you how amazing this is at just walking you through the process. Obviously, if you're creating a course, you're going to want to create one that you know something about, just so you can double check this. And you're probably building it to build some authority and credibility in your space. Module 2, here's the gear, right? How to pick your gear. And if you were an affiliate for something, it says you could put your affiliate gear guide in there. How to actually catch a fish, how to set up your gear, your casting technique, what bait to use, all this stuff, right? And then here's some bonus things you can consider, gear checklist, whatever, right? So what would you like help with now? Talking point, script, outline. Let's say, just so we can show it to you, I'm going to ask them to set up lesson 1.1 for us. Okay, so let's see, here's lesson 1.1, and it's going to lay it all out here for us. Right? So this is, again, all I clicked was, I have an idea, help me get this idea out of my head, right? So it gives you the title of the lesson, the talking points, or the script or outline, and depending on how polished you are, you could follow the outline and the script specifically, or you could just use this as your general talking points. And then here we go. Here's the benefits of fishing. It's relaxing. It's affordable. You don't need a boat. It's great for any skill level, skill you can grow into, and then close with encouragement. So let's get you set up with what you need and take the overwhelm out of fishing. Here's the slide suggestions. So you can set those up. And if you follow me, you know there's some other tools and stuff I can share with you where you can make slides relatively easily. You could use Google presentations, or there's an app called Gamma that will do some of these for you. PDF and ChatGPT obviously will do some of this stuff for you too. And there's some other resources. So then you could actually get a script fully written out if you want, that you can read on camera or use in a teleprompter, right? Or you can go to lesson 1.2. So you see how amazing this is, all right? Let's go to another example though. I'm going to change up a little bit. Okay, for this next one, we're going to go kind of the corporate trainer route. And I'm going to say, I want to create a signature deep dive course on helping first-time people managers successfully navigate the change and learn how to lead people that were once their peers. So let's see what it comes up with. So again, I gave it a little more to work with from the start, but here we go. And you'll see it's laying all of this out for us. So it's going to give us a quick summary of the idea. Probably going to ask me some clarifying questions, but let's see. Yep, so this is it. First-time people manager, recently promoted, leading former peers. That's an awkward dynamic. Oh, good qualifying question. Look at that. Would these people be paying for themselves, or are you targeting HR companies? Or HR departments of the companies? That's actually important on how you set this up and position it. I'm going to say that the The people are buying it themselves. Here's the outcome of the course. Here's a course format. And again, I asked them for not a mini course, but a full-on course, 4 to 6 modules. Here's the outline, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5, module 6, whatever. Give me downloadable template ideas for one-on-one meeting agendas, feedback scripts, all of that stuff, video library, all this, right? So this is mapping all this out for us, telling us we might want to create a private community on Slack, all these things, right? And again, this is just, you could maybe ask ChatGPT to do this just from a ChatGPT prompt, but I'm going to tell you, it would take you hours to get to this point because you really have to train it on some things that are critical to how do you create a course, how you lay out a course, what they should look like, some of the course methodology, stuff like that. So in this case, let's say, let's work on a lead magnet, and I'm going to say that individual people are going to pay for this. So let's see what happens. Okay, so in this case, I said the new managers themselves will be buying this. Let's create a lead magnet and make it kind of fit the LinkedIn vibe, since I'll probably be marketing through those posts, etc. Okay, so here you go. Lead magnet concept for this course we're going to create. The first 5 moves, new manager's playbook for leading former peers, why it works. Speaks directly to your niche. Playbook sounds practical, high value, suggested breakdown, PDF lead magnet. Here's what it should look like. Here's what we're going to do. Here's what the pages are going to look like. And then, you know, of these, all these moves, here's an example. Here's move 1, blah, 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 move 2. And it's slowly cranking this out for us down here, right? So giving us an idea, not going the full route, saying I can do the rest if you want. But here's kind of what we're looking at, okay? And then giving you some tips for meeting the LinkedIn vibe. All right, so let's say you go through all that, you have a lead magnet, you start generating some people, but then you're like, you know what, we need to start creating the lessons. What would that look like? So let's say we wanted to start providing the content for module 1. So I just asked it to do that. Here comes module 1. It's giving you the learning objectives right up front. Here's lesson 1.1, what really changes when you become a manager. Here's the key talking points, sample scripts, all of it. So you see how powerful this thing is. I mean, it's really will create on anything. Let's go with one more example just so you can see how powerful this is. And then I'll tell you how you can get access to this. Okay, so we're going to change pace. We're going to do something totally different. I told it that so we could change it. In this case, let's create a course on having recent college grads and new full-time employees learn how to take advantage of the retirement investment opportunities at their company or on their own so they can maximize the power of compounding and long investment time horizon, right? Because most people don't know this. The people that I run into that are this age group, they have no idea how to maximize their 401k or 403b, or if they should get a Roth IRA or any of that stuff. And again, I'm not providing financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you're in that role and you want to create something like that, here it is. So here's the ideal learner profile. Here's that big promise transformation. You learn how to take advantage of your company's retirement benefits. They're getting handed HR emails or benefits packets they don't understand. They don't know how to take advantage of all this stuff. It's going to be a mini course format. It's going to focus on clarity, confidence, and action. Here are the modules. Why starting early changes everything. And so it's going to give them the numbers on how $100 a month can turn into $2 million with simple growth examples. Okay. Understanding your retirement benefits. What's the difference between a 401k and a Roth 401, employer match, all that jazz. How to start investing with confidence. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so here it is. Here's lead magnet idea. And then it asks you, do you want to do the first module? Do you want to create an outline for a video? Do you want to do lead magnet copy? Let's do, since we didn't do this yet, let's do the script for lesson 1 for a video. So I asked it to give me the outline and script for a video for lesson 1.1. Okay, I was like, let's go. Yours may respond slightly differently just based on how you've interacted with your chat GPT. Mine's pretty funny though. It's snarky sometimes because that's how I interact with it. So here you go. Here's video 1, the magic of compound interest. Here's what the structure is going to be like. The slide with the hook, right? The title of the magic of compound interest with a subtitle. And then the script. Slide 2, here's what you should show on it. The definition. And if, it says show simple chart or animation of money growing over time, you could literally just build that in Chat GPT here. You could ask it. But here's slide 2. Here's slide 3. So here's what the slide should show. Here's the script you should put on there. Slide 4. Here it is. And then they give you an example right here, which I talked about before. Let's make it real. If you invest $100 a month in a basic index fund starting at age 22 and earn around 8% a year on average, by age 62, you'd have over $280,000. And yeah, you'd have to check the math on that because I don't think that's right. So that's one of the things you got to check here. And there's some inferences made there, like how long are they going to invest it? And yeah, that 8%, but how long are they going to continue putting that $100 a month in? So you just want to check the math on those before you publish that. And then here's slide 6 in the script. All right. So again, you need to have some level of expertise or subject matter expertise. I would never try to put out a course that I don't really know anything about, right? A lot of this stuff is I already have an idea in my head. I'm already good at it. I've already figured out how to solve it. And I just ask ChatGPT to help get it out of my head and help put it into a format that we could teach. So if you're wondering how you can get access to the amazing thing, the only way to get access to this right now is Kajabi is offering 3 months for $99. So Kajabi is a platform where I host all of my courses and do most of my email marketing and everything else. I run about 95% of my business on there. And they're running a special deal right now, 3 months for $99. You get access to all the stuff that you can do on there. And so you could create a course essentially in a couple of weeks, get it on there and still have 2 months to market it and sell it out there and start making the money that you would need to pay for Kajabi over the long haul after those 90 days is up. And one of the things I've created, because I'm a referral partner of theirs, I'm an affiliate partner, they're allowing me to market this to you before it's even available on their website. You can't even get access to it right now. When using my special affiliate link, wherever you happen to be watching this, I'll make sure it's clearly available there for you. When you use that link, you're going to get access to the 3 months for $99, but I also have a whole bunch of bonuses for you, including this. You're going to get access to this. You can't get this anywhere else. I'm not selling this to anybody yet, although I will eventually. No, there's nowhere else you can get access to this except for as one of the bonuses when you use my link to get that offer. I also have something called How to Make Your First $10,000 on Kajabi. That's a little mini course for you in there. There's a thing called How to Do Research in Your Niche using free market tools, Amazon, Facebook, some other things like that. I'll show you some really, really innovative ways to do that. I have a list of tools. So if you need a webcam or ring light or whatever, those things are in there for you. There's all kinds of stuff. And if you jump on this in the first 48 hours it's available, I'm also going to make 2 office hours calls available, 2 group office hours calls. I'll just sit there for an hour and answer questions. So as you're going through this process, through your 90-day setup here with Kajabi and you're trying to launch your course, I'll help you out. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I also put in there a 30, 60, 90-day plan or an outline for you so that assuming you had an hour a day, because maybe you work a full-time job and you got other stuff going on and you can only allocate an hour a day. And really what I said was not an hour every day. Maybe they're going to miss some days. So on average, 5 hours a week. So there's a 30, 60, 90-day plan in there. So if you could allocate 5 hours a week, how you could create something, get it going in the first month. And then the second month is how do you market it, soft launch it, get it out there, start making money with it, get it dialed in some more if you're going to build more of a course with it. And then month 3 is how do you really get it highly automated, get your funnel going, get your lead magnet running so that you're getting a pretty good source of people coming in and checking it out and getting your mini course. And then it shows you through my how to make $10,000, your first $10,000 on Kajabi, how you can add a community or a coaching program or anything else to it. So again, the only way to get this right now, this amazing tool that I just showed you, is to go to the link you see right here, take advantage of that Kajabi offer. And when you do, you'll get sent an email. And in that email, it'll say, here's Dave's bonuses from Kajabi, or Kajabi bonuses from Dave, or whatever it says in the title. And in there, it'll show you how to get access. I put all this stuff in a course on Kajabi because, of course, why wouldn't I? I'll show you how to use the platform and what it looks like. All that stuff will be in there, as long as I'll put this demo in there too so you can see it, and the link to the GPT. So as long as you have a GPT account, a ChatGPT account, it doesn't even need to be paid, you can access this thing and you can build your course. So don't hesitate, because it's not going to be around long. You want to take advantage of all the stuff, including the office hours calls with me. Click the link wherever you happen to be watching this. Go take advantage of that deal right now so you can get access to this amazing resource. See ya.